It worked. This is how it looked. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, you'll know what I'm doing. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying magnetic lashes. Oh my god, y'all know I tried this before, right? And it was a fail, but it wasn't with the liquid. Like this one is with the eyeliner liquid. This eyeliner liquid is magnetic. This one, the last one I did wasn't, so this is new. So hopefully this one go. I mean, I feel like it would. I feel like it will work, but yeah. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, join the gang, period, and like this video because why not? If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna pop this open and we're gonna get into the video. Now, if y'all see me looking this way, I'm looking in the mirror because how can I can't do it while looking in the camera. But yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so I got this from Amazon. The company is Eyeliner. I feel like that it is. It's Eyeliner, but this is what the package says. Eyeliner magnetic eyeliner lashes kits. Basically, it's pictures back here to tell you what to do. This is what it is. This is what it says. I don't know how to put on regular lashes, so. And I don't like getting my lashes done because they rip your eyelashes. I got this from Amazon. It comes with 10 different pairs of lashes. I'm gonna do the ones up here, the first ones, because they look natural. It comes with 2 eyeliners and it comes with this thing up here, and then 10 different pairs of lashes. But I'm gonna give y'all a close up and I'm gonna get into the video. This is what it looks like. So like I said, I'm gonna start with the one at the top. And let's get into it. Alright. And I'm gonna take pictures and stuff at the end. Just in case this do turn out good. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. But I'm about to look in the mirror. I'm not good on putting on regular lashes or none of that. So I'm opening up this eyeliner. I'm about to get it started. Oh my god, it's so real. I'm getting it started. Okay. Oh shit. First of all, I put this on so ugly. This how y'all know I'm a newbie, but it is what it is. I'm gonna let y'all know if it work or not, cause I look goofy, but okay. But let's talk about it real quick. Y'all, this side, I don't know what's going on, but this side is kind of normal when I applied the eyeliner. Oh my goodness. But I don't even do makeup, so I don't even care. But I just wanted to see what the lashes work. But I don't even do makeup, so I'm gonna clean this up and let it air dry, and then show y'all when I apply the lashes. And if they work, y'all can get y'all some too. The link will be down below. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video either. I bought this with my own money because I was curious if it was gonna work. But I'm gonna let these dry, but I'm about to clean it up, so hold on. One eye got a weird wing and the other one just normal. Like, I don't know what happened with this side. Y'all see that? I ain't gonna zoom in because y'all ain't gonna do me like that. But you'll see that. But I'm gonna let this dry, and then we can apply the lashes. This is it. I'm gonna try. Okay. So this is the first one that I told y'all I was gonna take off. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm about to do it real quick. It worked. I know y'all lying. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. It worked. And I know I suck at lashes, but I will get better. I don't do makeup, but it worked. That's the thing. Now let's see if the removal process is better. I'm gonna do a bigger one so y'all can see, because this is like tiny. Okay. The removal process is easy. You just peel it off slowly. That's crazy. I'm gonna do a bigger one so y'all can see for real. I'm gonna show y'all again. Look at the removal process. It's super easy. Like, that was super easy and it didn't hurt. I'm gonna do a bigger one so y'all can see for real. And I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do number 3. This one. Cause y'all know I don't do lashes. I don't do makeup for real. Cause I don't know how. But since it's working, it's like, why not? Okay, let me try one more time. Y'all. What? Let me do the other one real quick. Who ain't wearing lashes? Who not wearing lashes to the event? Okay, hold on. Yo, what? This is how it looks. My camera about to die, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'm gonna upload pictures so y'all can see. But wow. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and join the game. This is how it looks, y'all. I took my hair out the ponytail, but it looks good. It's crazy. Who not wearing lashes to events? Cause I will. Don't mind my nails, cause I'm in the process of taking these off. But I am. The fuck. But yeah, this is so cute. Okay. Period. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more. Join the gang. And period. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I will be somewhere in the screen. I'm feeling myself. Lashes in person. So you know I'm just playing. All right. Bye, y'all.